Established in 2005, Shanghai Earthmother has become a top brand in the field of XPS board, EPS board, and underfloor heating insulation and installation materials, with annual sales reaching up to 20 million square meters. Earthmother's headquarters is located in Songjiang Science and Technology Park in Shanghai, together with well-known enterprises such as Google AdWords, Alibaba Innovation Center, and Bureau Veritas. Driven by innovation, Earthmother has obtained over 100 national invention and utility model patents, and is certified with CE and ISO 9001. We operate two major production bases, Jiangsu Earthmother and Yixing Earthmother, and intelligent distribution centers in Shanghai, Suzhou, Yixing, Changsha, and Chongqing, with total warehouse space exceeding 8,000 square meters. Jiangsu Earthmother is a modern XPS board manufacturing factory integrating R&D, production, and office, covering an area of 20,000 square meters, with 14,000 square meters of workshop space. It is equipped with fully automated production lines, covering carbon dioxide, foaming, mold extrusion, leveling and shaping, embossing, and precision cutting, ensuring efficient and stable mass production. Jiangsu Earthmother also includes a production department for dry underfloor heating systems, with processes such as aluminum plate stamping, bending, insulation board grooving, and laminating. A complete system covering R&D, production, packaging, warehousing, and logistics allows us to respond quickly to ODM customization needs. A 24-hour quality testing laboratory, together with Beijing Technology and Business University, ensures strict quality control from raw materials to final product performance. Yixing Earthmother factory focuses on EPS insulation boards for underfloor heating, using durable HIPS film and high-grade EPS raw materials, with advanced Italian thermoforming lines. The plant uses vacuum forming technology to laminate HIPS film onto EPS boards, assuring product quality that meets EU standards. With a diversified product portfolio and advanced manufacturing capabilities, Earthmother has become a trusted partner for worldwide clients. Earthmother has continued to attend ISH Fair in Frankfurt, Germany, and MCE in Milan, Italy since 2015. Our products are exported to Europe, North America, Japan, Korea, and the Middle East, and have earned strong recognition in global markets. We are committed to become a valuable international company. Innovation, high quality, best service, value-oriented. Earthmother is willing to work with domestic and overseas clients together to offer consumers high-quality products and service.